you can take any bunch of pictures and make them into a video. How do you do that? So first off, you uh, take your images, and you want to make sure that they are numbered sequentially. So what you do is you select all, which is Control A on on PC, or Command A on Mac. You right click and you say rename, and you say some name, and then it's going to create a sequence of them and say, yeah, rename, and it renames them all, uh, starting with one and adding um, as you go along. You may think that, oh, I was taking a whole bunch of pictures right in a row, so they're going to come in just fine. But if your camera gets turned off in between or something like that, it's not necessarily going to work out. So you need to make sure they are all sequential. So then you open up After Effects or something similar to that. You say File, Import, File, and you say it, where should it go? Looking at the desktop in the untitled folder, and then you say uh, all of them, Control A, and then you say import as, import JPEG sequence. And that's very important. The import JPEG sequence, or it could be TIFF sequence or something like that, but it'll say sequence. I think Premiere may have a similar thing where it says import as uh, JPEG sequence. Say open. All right, then we have our footage here. And I press play. It take a second for it to render. So that's just a bunch of stills and brought in as a sequence, and you have a video. You can do this to do claymation. You can do it to do peoplemation or anything that you want to move and shoot. So have fun.